Hi friends, today we are going to start the series Monsoon Special July, and here is our first episode of it. Today we are going to show you how to make masala bread sandwich. It is a breakfast item in a rainy day, so be with us and enjoy it.
Take 4 boiled potatoes, cut it into small pieces. Now into a pan add 3 teaspoons of mustard oil. When the oil becomes hot, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds into it. Now add 1 medium sized chopped tomato into it. Fry them nicely. Now add the boiled potatoes. Mash them well. Add some few spices. Half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Add the spices. Mix them nicely. Now add half teaspoon of sugar into it and mix it. The filling is ready. Now take the breads and cut the sides of it. You can make breadcrumbs with this. Take 2 breads into a plate. Soak one of it into water. Squeeze it well and transfer it into another plate. Now fill it with the filling. And then soak the another one with water. Squeeze it well and cover the previous one with this. Press the sides well. Now into a pan add some butter. When the butter starts melting, place the bread over it. Fry the both sides well. Sprinkle some Vaja Masala and some black salt, and it's ready. Now serve it hot. Bread is one of those food items which is always available at home, so you can easily make it at home and enjoy this in a rainy day.